Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever had a ever had a customer add products to their cart but never check out? Don't worry. Shopify lets you recover lost sales with abundant cart emails. In this video, I will show you how to set up abundant cart recovery for free, step by step, even if you are just starting out. So, let's talk about what is abundant cart recovery. An abundant cart happens when a customer adds item to their cart but doesn't complete the purchase. Shopify can automatically send reminder emails to help bring those customers back. And the best part, you can do it for free. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Go to shopify.com, then log into your account. From your dashboard, we will set up the recovery process using the built-in email features. Now go to Settings, then Checkout, scroll down to Abundant Checkouts and make sure the box is checked automatically and send abundant checkout emails. Find the abundant option from here. Choose the timing using usually 10 hours is a good starting point. Click Customize Label. Here you can see your online store. And now scroll down or go to General tab. From here, you can add social links. Now go back to your checkout option. Toggle it on SMS option. So tipping options at checkout if needed. You can add checkout rules from here. You can set the require customers to log in to their account before checkout or save it. Now let's customize the email content. Go to settings. From settings, click on notifications and click abandon checkout email. You can personalize the message, add urgency like oops, you left something behind, and even offer a discount code if you like. To make your email more persuasive, go to discounts, go to discounts tab from your dashboard, then click create discount and add generate a code like save. Now choose amount of products, generate code like that, or manually enter the code, accept 10, include it in your email with a line like, here's 10% off just for you. Now preview or send email option to see how your email looks. Make sure the branding, wording, and discount, if needed, all look good. To see if your emails are working, go to orders, then abandon checkout. Here you will find details like how many were recovered and the revenue guaranteed. For more advanced options, install the Shopify email app from App Store. It's free for up to 10,000 emails per month. With this, you can create custom sequences and branded templates that make your abundant cart emails more engaging. Go to online store or sales channels and click app and sales channels setting. Then Shopify App Store, search for Shopify email and install the app. With Here are a few pro tips. Add urgency, your card will expire soon. Include product images in the email. Paste sending times. Add your logo and store colors to build trust. Pros: free and easy to set up. Saves lost revenue. Works automatically. Cons: basic features only. Limited customization without third-party apps. And that's how to set up abundant cart recovery in Shopify for free. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more Shopify tips and drop a comment if you want to learn about advanced automation tools next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.